air conditioning systems have to put up with a lot. Even the smallest particle can be breeding ground for bacteria and germs, which can cause unpleasant odours and affect the air quality. With the Audi air conditioning service, harmful particles are virtually eliminated and their ability to build up is reduced. With each cleaning, the interior filter is also replaced. More and more models can be equipped with the allergen filter, whose anti-allergen layer minimises up to 99% of pollen, fine particles and odours. To ensure your air conditioning remains clean in the long run, you should have it serviced regularly.